Hey guys, just going to do a quick video on how to drop the spare tire on a Toyota Tundra. Okay, just open up the back door on the passenger side, and then you just flip the seat up. Then the jack and everything's back here, so just grab this thing here. This is what you use to lower the tire. So you just take these two, just place them together like this. I don't know if you need the second one or not. We'll put it in. It's got a little hook on the back, and then it just goes in this hole here. Okay, so it's in. Then you just put this piece on the end of it and turn counterclockwise. When you turn them counterclockwise, you can see the tire drop. Then we should be able to pop this piece right out. Pull that right out like that. Then we can pull our tire out. Anyway, that's how you drop spare tire for a Toyota Tundra.